Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a fake rain on your window on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste it, and I'm going to select effects here, and I'm going to select the nature. Alright, so you do need the pro feature if you want it to be better, because I think the rainy season looks better on the like window of it, either rainy season 1 or rainy season 2. Sorry about that. I'm going to use rainy season 1. I'm going to go to adjustments, and I'm going to make it a little bit more blue, and I'm going to turn down the brightness a little bit so you can kind of see the rain, and I'm going to turn down the saturation a little bit here. I'm going to also add the rainy season 2 here as well. I'm then going to select the mask so it only applies to the window part. Go to video, go to mask, and select rectangle. And I'm just going to kind of adjust it to the video a little bit here. And I'm also going to add in the round corners to it. I'm going to keep adjusting this a little bit. And then I'm going to feather it out to blend it a little bit more. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!